Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Discord screen share not working. Now, fixing Discord screen share issue usually involve adjusting specific in-app settings or system permission, depending on whether you are seeing a black screen or having audio issue. So for that, what you want to do is simply want to launch open Discord on your device, first thing first. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and launch open the server where you're actually doing a screen share. So launch open the page or tap onto the name and just go to settings. On this section, you have to go ahead and look for voice and video. Or you can just go ahead and look for the user settings. There you have the gear icon. Or just want to go to this page. Here it is actually. And look for voice and video. When you have these voice and video, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select and enable the button. That should definitely help you out. If you cannot find one, you just want to make sure to go to the user settings, your icon, and there it is, voice and video. So just want to make sure to enable this as well. Next, what you could also do is you could simply want to make sure to go ahead and check for permissions. So launch open settings on your device and just go to add, locate Discord, and make sure that you've enabled microphone and all that as well. So this way you're supposed to fix your Discord screen share not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.